there you have it, just saying goodbye to the missus, and this is the start of our adventure. Just pulling into the servo here, top up with a bit of fuel, and got my mate Rob waiting for me just around the corner.
How are you, Robbie?
Good, man.
How's it going, man?
Yeah, really good, man.
See you, mate. Congrats on the little one, dude.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, fucking, he's a handful.
Yeah, that's our tour guide for the day, Rob. Absolute top bloke. He's just had a little one, which is real exciting. So he's taken us through King Lake, Tallarook, Whittlesea, a little bit of Mount Disappointment, a few nice roads that we're riding on. Also another guy with us today, Lockie. Absolute legend of a guy. He's on a DR650. He was meant to meet us at that service station, but unfortunately some banana brand gave him the wrong pin out, so he was at a servo about probably 5 minutes down the road, but nonetheless, we're all together and we're all riding. This is our first stop for the day. We're stopped on the top of what looks like this really, really high mountain. Absolutely stunning views. We were here for quite a few minutes just taking it all in. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Morning tea break here. What adventure is complete without going to a bakery? I tell you what, this one is definitely one worth visiting. Out in King Lake, everything just looks absolutely delicious. Cakes, brownies, savoury things like pies, sausage rolls, it's all there. You know, nice coffees. Quite a busy joint.
When you ride past, you'll see that that tree's not holding on to anything, it's just sitting in the V.
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. I reckon it's been put there, like someone with ropes or something when they were felling.
That's weird. How random.
Robbie's just explained to us here that there is like a tree suspended up. Really, really weird. You can see it there. Super cool.
Oh, really?
This is probably the start of one of the challenges today. There was a bit of a track that Rob warned me about because I'm on the Tenere, a bit of a heavier bike, stock tyres as well, so they're like a 50-50 tyre. And it just gets really steep and real rocky. He said normally he comes down it, but we thought we'd have a crack at going up. And you can see I come a little bit unstuck.
Ooh, I'm just in a shit spot.
It was just a bit unfortunate how I tackled this hill. If I had a better line choice, I think I would have been okay.
If I can get out of this.
And this is really one of the first times I've taken the Tenere properly off-road. And you really don't realise how heavy this bike actually is in these kinds of terrains. And the camera never does it justice, but the hill was mildly steep, but it was more technical with lots of rocks. I'm like stuck on a bit of a rock face. So Rob does have a go at it. He was real hesitant. You'll see him have a crack. Unfortunately, I missed Lockie going up. He did really well and just got up in one go.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, 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 shit! No, we didn't. You binned it. Are you alright?
Coming.
You come down, I think you hurt his knee. Oh, he might be alright. Are you alright? He's giving me a thumbs up. That probably doesn't help, does it? Yeah. So if I kind of go like...
Yep, and then turn hard right. Yep, that's it.
I was pretty fortunate to have Lockie give me a bit of coaching and a bit of guidance on how to get up this hill. He'd already made it up on his DR in pretty much a clean run, so that was good. And look, I eventually do get going, but it did take actually quite a bit of time for me to get in a good position to get some momentum going and get up. And it's unfortunately this bike is not like an enduro bike where you can just pick it up and just turn around and have another go, or it was really quite awkward and cumbersome.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm thinking.
Go around to the right hand side and straight up there.
I was thinking just a little here.
Oh yeah, you can do
Boom.
that too. Yeah.
Or that bit you said as well. As long. Alright, let me just try and psych myself up here a bit. Shit! That's not how it's done.
I was pretty happy that I made it up that hill, although not very graceful. Still got up, which was good. Now the issue was coming back down. So this track actually does a bit of a loop, and we could have come back around for Rob, who did injure his knee quite a little bit there. So he sort of lost a bit of confidence and didn't want to come back and have another go. So what we ended up deciding was I would come back downhill on the Tenere. Now I wasn't really wanting to do that. I did want to turn around and just go the other way because I knew that was going to be fine, but at the same time I know there's going to be times on our adventures where we do have to backtrack down difficult terrain, so this was probably the best time to do it, where we're not too far from home, and if things go really wrong there's a lot of options, a lot of ways to get out, and we've got plenty of help.
Hang on. With this bike, if you commit, it's solid enough with the momentum behind it. We'll just keep tracking it. But if you stop like what I'm doing and try and manhandle it,
when I was riding my DR650, I would absolutely dread the road sections, but on the Tenere, it's an absolute dream, and especially after trying to lug the 200 kilo beast through some of that rocky stuff, this was grouse. Been the last challenge for the day that's approaching. Basically there was like a little creek that ran through. I'm pretty sure I'd done this quite like a few times on my enduro bike, so I wasn't really worried about it. I sort of knew what to expect. It was more just I think I got a little bit cautious because Rob had stopped and was a little bit uneasy. Lockie had already gone through it, didn't really think much of it, so I was fairly confident to come down here. And I didn't do too bad, honestly. Like, the more you ride this bike off-road, the more you ride it in challenging conditions, the more comfortable you're going to be. So all I could say is if you just got a Tenere and you think it's a bit too big to ride off-road, keep at it, because it rewards you the more you ride it. Thanks so much for watching. If you managed to stay all the way to the end, please throw us a subscribe and a like, chuck us a comment, it'd be much appreciated. Hopefully I can make some more of this stuff and see you in the next one.